What's going on, Island Hoppers? Today we're coming to you from Barcelona, Spain. Thanks to Garrett Wes Anderson over at iDrones Aerial, we get an up-close look at how beautiful Barcelona really is. From the golden sand Mediterranean beaches to La Sagrada Familia, Park Güell, all the way across Barcelona. Such a beautiful place. Check out the Museum of Picasso, the works of Salvador Dali, Anton Gaudi, the rich history of Catalonia, the medieval and Gothic Barcelona quarter, the Roman Barcelona history, and so much more. If you enjoy videos like this, please do like the video. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour from around Barcelona, Spain.
In the world, right here in Barcelona. Haven't seen a better pond.
That was funny, so I did it.
Thank you to everyone for watching this episode of Island Hopper TV. Please do like the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.